Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new Audi Q3 Edition 1 S Tronic finished in the modern Navarra Blue paintwork. This brand new model comes with a 1.5 litre petrol engine with 150 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking matrix LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators and a rear light bar for great visibility, large 20-inch alloy wheels with red brake calipers, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q3 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors, paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 530 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo for that extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to ISOFIX points for secure child seats and a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports. The front houses a multifunctional heated flat top and flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classic passenger dashboard along with a large central touch display, a central console and embossed front seats. The heated steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. This is alongside choosing from various headlight displays and animations. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle, in addition to accessing the park assist function. From the same screen, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available, in addition to a heated steering wheel control. This is alongside the central console that features a hidden wireless phone charging pad with 2 USB-C charging ports, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.